everybody, good morning. It's Marie at RV CampHer. It's Monday, February 3rd, 8:30 in the morning, and I'm heading out to Avondale, Arizona. I'm going to an RV repair shop, and Bill, the owner, is going to verify the work that's needed to be done on my travel trailer due to the hit and run accident I had in Texas back in November. Avondale is really a neat town. Looks like there's a lot of things there. I can go shopping, whatever. I'm also going to go to Tolleson, which is the town next to Avondale, Arizona. And I'm going to do some shopping at Walmart and a few other stores. Then go back and pick up my travel trailer and then head back home to Quartzsite. Should be an interesting and fun day. Talk to you later. I'm all done over at the RV repair shop. He took measurements of the areas that are damaged and told me a little bit more about something else that he found wrong. So I'm heading to find a place to eat right now. And if you think I didn't know Portillo's was right here, then you don't know me very well, do you? I am so excited. I don't think I can walk fast enough to that door. The only reason I got a large sandwich, as my Italian grandma used to say, is because I'm going to have leftovers for like 5 days. I can only take a few bites at a time because I had gastric bypass. So it's like the rest will go in my Frigidator. For those of you who've never had Portillo's, they're mostly well known for their hot dogs, but who are not from Chicago or a suburb of Chicago, or now Portillo's is expanded throughout the United States, California, Arizona, Iowa, or else. You're missing out, okay? You are missing out. I love jardiniere, which is peppers, mixture, but the only ones they have here are hot, and they sell them by the jar, but I don't do hot peppers, so oh my goodness. If there's a Portillo's, this Marie RV CampHer is gonna stop. All right, back to my sandwich. Next stop, Hobby Lobby. I thought I was through making earrings, but I sold so many at Saturday's craft show I have to come back and buy more supplies. Oh well, gotta do what I gotta do. Parking at Walmart because I can. This is a family-run business, and the owner's name is Bill. If you have to have any work done on your RV, please give him a call. He is the nicest business owner ever. I had a safe trip and accomplished everything I set out to do. Watch for my upcoming coffee talk.